Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now currently as it is, we're looking at Nasdaq. So I'm going to be going over um, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and XRP as well too. As you see displayed here, these are just my zones that I've just actually just highlighted and just showing where candlesticks have been rejecting and testing a lot of areas within um, Nasdaq. So I'm just gonna like really just jump straight into it, just to actually give you guys a little bit of a summary, just to show you on how I'm actually seeing Nasdaq moving forward into through the week. So if we just zoom in on the daily time frame, get a bit of accuracy within. So this out my trend line. Yeah. So as you see in the daily, we have witnessed a break in the support trend line, moving through across from the 8th of August until currently now, which is 8th of August 2024 until currently now, which is the 13th of January. So what I will be looking for within the markets is possible like retest. When we zoom in onto the 4 hour, what I'm trying to visualize and see and get through. So as you can see, if we just pull out the pathway, yeah, price came, tested this zone, came, tested this area, came, tested, yeah. So what we could possibly be seeing is also now uh, a downtrending movement. But if we actually zoom out and actually make it map out the bigger picture, let's map out. So start from point of high, and actually just jotting down these levels here. I'm just gonna actually do this just to make it a lot much more easier. What we're seeing here is possible move through a pattern being formed, and this really looks like there's a triangle actually being formed within Nasdaq. Just if you place it in through here. So what we could possibly also be expecting is that price can come touch within this area right here. These are just my presumptions. So price can either touch through this area or this area. These are two zones that could possibly be respected as is through breaking through and moving downwards to lower prices, ensuring number one on Nasdaq. So I'm expecting also a bearish move. Um, we did kind of also just see last week through my analysis, we did see some movement of bullish uh, momentum within Nasdaq, but came back down and touched this respective zone, which is around 20,687.2. So these are two zones that I'm actually kind of just looking for within the markets, just to see that we do get a test. It's either possibly this zone, we'll probably see some kind of rejection in just visualizing um, how price moves, or it could possibly come back and touch this area and reject it, and then maybe just retracing fading wicks and retracing this daily support trend line being shown. So yeah, um, let's move now to US30. So through US30, I'm just going to delete these just to show you what's happening. So with US30, what we can actually also expect as well too is a bearish move within the markets. We can also see that I've also mapped out the zones as being shown. But I want to just show you something as we zoom in onto the 4 hour. Um, for those of you that are just watching this YouTube and are probably kind of confused with these zones, just go back to some of the videos that I've actually just posted on the channel, and you'll get a real good clarification on just seeing on how I do map out my zones. Uh, so now we change to the candlestick chart. So what we could be expecting with this, um, now that it's ranging within these two light blue lines, I am kind of expecting maybe a retest, maybe within this area here. Let me just map it out within this zone here, in this zone here, or here. So we could possibly maybe see maybe a retest. Price comes touch this area or comes and respects this area. So I am expecting price to kind of maybe just hover around and retesting this zone. If we do break this zone, still be good. We'll probably be seeing maybe 41,000. We'll be hovering around maybe 41,000 within this area here as is. And then we could be just following through the downtrend throughout the play as is. If we do also zoom out on the daily, I just want to actually show you guys quickly. Placing the trend line, showing through this level. Yeah. So a channel was kind of formed within this zone here, as you can see. So price came, retested this area, which is a really, really good zone that was respected, came, touched down, tried to come and retest again this area, but it just continued going bearish. So what we could possibly be seeing is a nice bearish movement from top, coming through here, coming through here, possibly maybe breaking this zone, and then maybe touching through here, and then retesting this light blue line, and then possibly coming back to 39,944. So yeah, given based on just how the markets have been moving, last week we got bullish, well, not bullish, we got positive data from NFP. But yeah, based on how um, the markets have been moving, I think it might possibly take some time for it to actually kick in, or there could be actually other um, effects to what we're actually witnessing now, as we had seen the fire erupt in LA. So yeah, it's quite a tricky time to actually also be trading, because there's a lot of social economics that are playing part, which could possibly also be affecting the markets um, moving forward. So now for us to actually move into XRP, XRP. Now, XRP, I think let's move on to, okay. I think let's move into weekly first. As you guys can see, um, I just want to kind of just like broaden this out. You guys can see, those of you that do trade, can see candlestick pattern forming on the weekly time frame on XRP. Now, if we do zoom in, right, and we actually just take out our zones and map out our zones within the markets right now, which we'll do here. Right. Zooming onto 4 hours. Well, I don't think we need to do too much analysis on this one, but just to get like a real good, nice, good clarification, um, we're about to approach a zone within this area here, which could possibly be respected, as you can see. There's been plenty of wicks that have been testing this area and also faked out and tested. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 wicks that have rejected the zone. This area will also seem to be a zone that had been respected, but not strongly so. But in my viewing of this, we could possibly see price coming and retesting this area right here. Zoom onto 1 hour. Yeah, we could see price coming through retesting this area as is. As you can see, obviously, on the 1 hour, you can see price really rejecting this area decently. And you can see price broke through, created a high, dropped, came down, retested, created a W in this formation as is. Let me just show you, yeah. I didn't necessarily touch this area, but let's just actually do this. And then came through. And so what we could be expecting is possibly a retest within this area just to test out the zone and then a possible push straight to the upside, which we will see pushing way up and breaking this high. So we're seeing higher highs and higher lows with XRP moving into the week. I think the weekly candlestick that was going to be forming, which is still in the process of forming as we speak, could possibly be um, just creating the wick at the bottom here. So if I just delete this, let's actually delete all the drawings. Sorry. So yeah, this week is being formed on the weekly time frame. So we could possibly see some sense of rejection within this area here, and then retesting. and price shooting straight up as is and breaking all-time highs. So I'm really bullish on XRP. Um, this candlestick pattern that's formed is looking really decent. So I will be putting in a few positions as is on XRP, but I think for now, yeah, that's just my analysis and direction. I was just seeing how certain things. I try to just throw in some of the some crypto just to give you guys a really just nice clue on and I'm also just like visualizing the crypto and indices as well too and stock markets moving forward. But yeah, I hope this is helpful. Please do like, subscribe, and share if you can. And comment below if there's any opinions that you'd maybe just like me to go over and see through. I'm gladly in just sharing knowledge and content with um, a lot of people that are just trying to figure out trading moving forward. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.